Hey everyone, I hope everybody's doing okay. It's been a while since I last updated, but yeah, you know how it goes. Life, 2 kids, 2 dogs, 2 aquariums, and a whole lot of other stuff going on, so it's been a while. But I have a fun little project to share again, because it goes like this. When the missus asks you something, it includes the word 3D printer. You just got to sprint. So I'll run everybody through it, what I've did, and I'm really pleased about it. So let's have a look at it. So the kids actually have a new little toy. It's actually sort of Lego bricks, but it's not actually. It's called Plus Plus. What they are actually really small, tiny sort of puzzle pieces, and you can sculpt them around and make boxes, make actual toys with them and stuff like that. It's really funny. So they really like that, and the missus was like, hey, you can also buy base plates for them, where you can make upright things really easily for, so maybe that's fun for the kids. So she asked like, can you maybe 3D print this? And then it's like, okay guys, everything, drop everything, code 400 hours on it, and then test it, print it, move on. Well, that's not actually how it went. It went a little bit different, of course. First created the base plate. Mrs. was happy, and then I was like, now I have to take the pieces separately with me. I have a base plate, so let's put it in a whole kind of storage zipper lock bag and then take it with us. I was like, no, that can't be right. There are better solutions to this. So it came actually to me instantly while I was modeling this whole design, and I was like, yeah, this is so easy. So I went to OpenSCAD and I simply modeled a square, made it actually a little bit longer on one end and on the other end a little bit shorter, add a few pegs and pressure push it all into the base plate with 4 walls, meaning you can throw actually the pins in the box that you created, print one more base plate, and you pressure push it actually in. Then you have a sort of a booklet kind of thing with the plus pieces in it stored to build places, since we have 2 kids, meaning both kids get one, and yeah, then you can just use it on the go. And that was actually how this came to life. It was a really small, fun project. Took me 2 iterations to actually make sure the design is as I want. Then I started playing a little bit with ChatGPT to make sure the scaling also works and the pegs are correct. I made sure that the pegs, or the hole of where the pegs need to go in, have a little bit of a sloped angle downwards, making it more easy to actually pressure fit both the walls but also the pieces in. So I hope you enjoyed it, and till the next mini project everyone. So see ya!